Hello everyone, today we will discuss BVS refraction. BVS stands for best Vian sphere. BVS stands for best Vian sphere, which means that we are using only spherical lenses in this refraction. So basically it is used to correct myopia and hypermetropia. The steps of doing BVS refraction is: number one, you have to measure visual acuity, which should be monocular and which must be unaided. In clinical practice, it is preferred to start visual acuity measurement from right eye, so it is better that you occlude the left eye and start measuring the unaided visual acuity of the right eye. The number two step is the starting lens, the spherical lens from which you will start doing BVS refraction, and the starting lens power depends upon unaided visual acuity. As a guidelines, if the vision is between 6.6 to 6.18, you will use plus minus 0.5 diopter lens. If the visual acuity is worse than 6/18 but better than 660, then you will use plus minus 1.50 diopter lens. And if the vision is worse than 6/60, then you can use plus minus 3 diopter lens. So unaided visual acuity guides the starting point of BVS refraction. The next important thing is there are two lenses, plus lenses and minus lenses. You have to start always with the plus lenses to relax the accommodation of the patient. First you will give it plus lens, and if vision is not better with plus lens, then you will try the minus lens. And when you put lens in front of the patient's eye, you will ask whether vision is better with the lens or worse with the lens or same with the lens. If it is better, you will add the lens in the trial frame. If it is worse, you will not add the lens. And if it is the same, then in case of plus lenses, you will add the lens. And in case of minus lenses, you will not add the lens. Why? Because BVS in case of plus is the maximum plus that the patient appreciates, and in case of minus lenses, BVS is the minimum minus, which gives the best or optimal visual acuity. So you have to keep these points in mind. So these are the steps. Let's do an example so that learning can be enhanced. We have a patient who has visual acuity 6/60, unaided in the right eye. As mentioned previously, for this range we have to use plus minus 1.50 diopter lens. And for plus minus, first of all we will try the plus lens. So I put plus 1.50 in the trial frame, and the patient says that vision is better with the lens. Then I will again measure the vision. Let's suppose it becomes 6/9. When it becomes 6/9, then I will now add plus 0.25. because I'm near to 6 by 6 vision. Let's suppose he reports that vision again is better, and vision becomes 6 by 6. So net power of the lens become plus 1.75. As in case of plus lenses, BVS is the maximum plus, so I will not stop here. I will further increase plus 0.25 lens to see its effect. Let's suppose patient again reports that vision become more better, but actually it's same 6 by 6, but I will add this plus 0.25 lens because I want to give maximum plus lens to the patient, which will give me 6 by 6 vision. So net power now becomes plus 2. Again patient is 6 by 6 with plus 2 lens. I will further add plus 0.25 lens. And now patient reports that his vision is blur or worse. It means that the BVS in this refraction is plus 2. So here my BVS refraction will come to an end. Now see this example with a minus lens. Again vision, let's suppose, is 6 by 60 and I put minus 1.50 lens, and patient reports that vision is worse, so I tried minus 1.50 lens and vision becomes better. Let's say again it becomes 6 by 9. Then I will further add minus 0.25 and patient says again it's better. So patient is 6 by 6 with minus 1.75 lens. I will again increase minus 0.25 and patient says that it becomes better, but in actual the visual acuity remains 6 by 6. So in this case I will not add this minus 0.25 because in minus lenses BVS will be the minimum minus that gives you 6 by 6 vision. So I will give the patient minus 1.75 diopter sphere and my BVS refraction comes to an end here.